Hello, students. Welcome to Super Kalam. I am your mentor, Arpita Sharma. If you are preparing for 2025 or 2026 and 2027, this one video is going to help you open up your eyes, make you more aware of where you are faulting. Where are the mistakes? अगर आप इस वीडियो पे आए हो तो इसका मतलब आप जानना चाहते हो कि आपकी mistakes कहाँ हैं, which can help you save your 2 years into this preparation. Now, let me start with a very basic question. Do you know that 90% of UPSC aspirants, 90%, they actually end up wasting 1.5 to 2 years into this particular preparation, despite the fact that they were working very hard. But only one mistake costs them their precious years of preparation. ये एक मिस्टेक ही है जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इस सेशन के अंदर, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट द मिस्टेक इज एंड हाउ टू फिक्स इट. What the toppers who have cleared this exam, we have taken interviews of so many toppers, पॉडकास्ट देखे हैं हमने कितने टॉपर्स के, तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो उनको हेल्प करती है अपने ईयर्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन सेव करने के लिए. So stay with me till the very end of this session because I'm going to help you be more aware of what you are lacking in and how you can solve it. Because when we understand where the weaknesses or faults are, it's very easy for us to solve it. It's very easy for us to mend it. The big mistake that aspirants 90% or majority of the students are doing is struggling with a clear strategy. यहीं से सारी प्रॉब्लम्स शुरू होती है. You will make a timetable today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for fourth day, for the fifth day, but on the sixth day you will feel overwhelmed because वो timetable structured नहीं होगा, and even if it is structured you will become lethargic in following the same thing every day. And that is where the biggest mistake lies. UPSC does not reward your hard work, it rewards your smart work. Always remember this. इसको हमेशा याद रखना. The toppers, now let's understand what the toppers are doing differently, or what those students who have given attempts and then they qualified it, कौन से hit and run trial उन्होंने use किया. First of all, they keep on reading the same book. That means FOMO जो है, that is not there in their preparation. Fear of missing out is not there in their preparation. They are reading the same books, they are keeping the resources minimal, and they are following the same resources again and again. NCRTs, basic standard books, their PYQs and their notes, that is enough. यही चार चीजें हैं जो ये स्टूडेंट्स फॉलो करते हैं, एंड दैट इज वाई दे आर रिवॉर्डेड. इसीलिए उनको रिवॉर्ड भी मिलता है. They do not keep on watching any random YouTube video, but they stick to a structured plan. Now, another important point is these people, which I have noticed after going through so many interviews and podcasts, that they don't just complete the subject. वो सिर्फ subject completion पे focus नहीं करते. They have a very fixed timeline. They set deadlines, जैसे कि in any company or in even in government jobs, etc., you have a given deadline to follow. Within, if you are given a deadline, it's very important, it's very easy to finish that task. But if there is no set deadline, then history will take 2 months, 3 months, 4 months to get completed. Okay, so they set deadlines for every subject. हर subject की एक deadline होती है, and only after finishing that deadline they move on. Secondly, second important aspect that I have noticed in every topper's preparation study is active recall. ये मैंने हमेशा नोटिस किया है. With active recall, they give test. For example, instead of passively reading books, they test themselves daily. For example, today I have studied, let's say, Revolt of 1857. What will I do? I will go to Super Kalam and I will ask, give me CQs on Revolt of 1857. I will practice the questions. मैं questions को यहाँ पर practice करूँगी. And then I will submit. I will see where my mistakes were. I will understand what were the concepts in Revolt of 1857 that I did not study properly. I will make notes and I'll move ahead. Secondly, I will practice previous year questions. Go to practice PYQ tool over here. मैं यहाँ जाऊँगी. Here I will select all subjects में modern history. In topics, let's say I will select Quit India Movement. I will click on start practice, get questions. How many questions have been asked in the last 10 years on Quit India movement? See, I'll practice the questions, and that is how I'll move ahead. I will see my accuracy percentage. I will see how many students have solved the same question, right? कितने students ने कौन से option को answer किया. I will learn about the concepts over here. This is how I will learn about the concepts, and then I'll move ahead. This is what is the meaning of active recall and giving test daily. Whatever concepts you have studied, do not wait of the time of syllabus completion. ये मत सोचो syllabus complete हो जाएगा तब मैं सब कुछ टेस्ट दूंगा, तब PYQs प्रैक्टिस करूंगी. नहीं. Simultaneously close the topics. Then mains oriented study. It is the third aspect of a topper that I have noticed. Mains oriented study. Mains oriented study. Similarly, the students who have cleared this exam, the students that we are in touch with, they do not wait for prelims to start answer writing practice. They integrate their prelims and mains preparation together, and then they move ahead. And then you have Super Kalam also for this. Aap mains evaluation tab par jaoge, you can get your answer evaluated within seconds. Now the point is, ma'am, we also know about it. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको नहीं पता. We also know means oriented study should be done, active recall, deadlines should be there. But the problem is how to focus on these three things. How to fix this. इसको फोकस कैसे किया जाए इस पे, इसको कैसे अपने रूटीन में इंटीग्रेट किया जाए. सो आई हैव अ 3-phase plan for you. Now, the 3-phase plan is quite simple if you follow it diligently. We have phase number 1. In phase number 1, we will keep 3 to 4 months. Here, we will build strong basics plus daily revision of what we are studying. सोने से पहले revision करके आप सोने जाओगे. Then we have phase number 2, the next 4 months. Next 4 months. Here, what we'll do? We'll apply full length tests plus answer writing. And then we have phase number 3, which is the final 4 months. Here 100% prelims पे focus रहेगा plus revision रहेगी through previous year questions also. This should be your 3-step or 3-phased plan that you should follow. Now, in this, how to make a structured timetable, that also we have. When we look at structured timetables on Super Kalam, we have our focus batch also. In the focus batch, I will give you the link in the description box if you want to check it out. Here you will see in the focus batch that we have our timetable. हमारे पास यहाँ पर हमारा ना timetable रहता है. I'll show you the timetable also. Okay, this is the timetable in the focus batch that we have. We have a new batch which is starting from 24th of March. And here, this entire timetable we follow, day by day targets are given to the students by me and Vimal sir. There is WhatsApp mentorship also available in the focus batch. You can connect with me from Monday to Friday on WhatsApp from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. if you are in the batch, so that all your doubts can be resolved. You will get full access of Super Kalam, the prelims test series, etc. Everything, class notes, classes, everything is there in the focus batch. So if you follow a structured timetable, if you follow a structured routine, then only it's very clear. Plus, it is very important to have a nice right mentor with you, because you need to be accountable in this journey. यहाँ पर रिसोर्सेज की कमी नहीं है इस तैयारी में, इसीलिए अकाउंटेबिलिटी की बहुत जरूरी है. सो इफ यू आर मेकिंग दिस मिस्टेक, you are preparing for 2026 or 27, and you are making this mistake, fix it now. Save yourself the next 1.5 years and start preparing like a topper, like a warrior. So we have our free Telegram community also, which is given in the description box of this video. The link is given. You can join that. Secondly, we have our focus batch. If you want to enroll, if you're preparing for 2026, again, the link is given in the description box of this video. This is our email ID, ask@superkalam.com. If you want to connect with me and Vimal sir, you can connect here on ask@superkalam.com. This is the mail ID. Everything is given to you. You just have to start. Okay. So I hope you will save your time and you will focus on these things, and you are going to have a really great preparation, insightful preparation.